Here are 10 foods that can help you maintain or improve your vision. Fish. Oily fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help prevent dry eye and macular degeneration. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and other nuts and seeds are good sources of vitamin E, which can protect your eyes from age-related damage. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can boost your immune system and fight infections that may affect your eyes. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collards, and other leafy greens contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that can lower your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Carrots. Carrots and other orange-colored fruits and vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that helps your retina function properly and prevents night blindness. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source that also provide lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that helps transport vitamin A to your eyes and prevent infections. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and other berries are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that can help keep your eyes healthy and prevent inflammation. Legumes. Beans, lentils, peas, and other legumes are high in protein, fiber, and zinc, which can benefit your eyes.